In this video, we will explore the 13 travel items you should consider retiring in 2025 for a more enjoyable travel experience. As we all know, packing efficiently and safely is crucial when embarking on any journey, and the right choices can significantly enhance your overall adventure. By eliminating certain items from your travel checklist, you can streamline your packing process, reduce stress, and make room for essentials that truly matter. Throughout this video, we will not only identify these items, but also provide practical tips and alternatives for each one, ensuring you are well equipped for your next trip. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or planning your first getaway, our insights will help you navigate the complexities of packing with ease. So stay tuned as we delve into these travel items to avoid, and get ready to transform your travel experience into something more efficient and enjoyable. Let's make your next journey the best one yet. Chafing can be a significant discomfort during travel, particularly for women over 50, who may experience increased sensitivity in certain areas. The irritation caused by friction can lead to an unpleasant journey, making it difficult to enjoy your adventures fully. Instead of relying on anti-chafing lubrication, which can be messy and inconvenient, consider opting for lightweight slip shorts as a practical alternative. These slip shorts provide a smooth layer between your skin and clothing, effectively reducing friction and preventing chafing without the need for additional products. When selecting travel clothing, it's essential to prioritize comfort and fit, as the right garments can make all the difference in your overall travel experience. Look for breathable fabrics and styles that allow for ease of movement, ensuring you feel comfortable throughout your journey. By making this simple switch, you can enhance your travel experience and focus on creating lasting memories rather than dealing with discomfort. Retiring the traditional passport booklet can significantly enhance your travel experience, particularly when navigating airport security. One of the main inconveniences travelers face is the need to remove the passport from its booklet at TSA checkpoints, which can be cumbersome and time-consuming. Instead, consider keeping your passport in an easily accessible pocket, allowing for a smoother and quicker transition through security. This simple adjustment can save you valuable time and reduce stress during your travels. Additionally, it's wise to create digital backups of your passport information for added security. By storing a scanned copy on your phone or in a secure cloud service, you ensure that you have access to essential details in case your passport is lost or stolen. This proactive approach not only enhances your peace of mind, but also streamlines the process of replacing your passport if necessary. Embracing these changes can lead to a more efficient and enjoyable travel experience overall. Using a regular wallet while traveling can present several drawbacks that may hinder your overall experience. Traditional wallets tend to be bulky, making them cumbersome to carry and often leading to discomfort when sitting or moving around. Additionally, they can pose security risks, as they are more susceptible to pickpocketing and theft in crowded areas. To mitigate these issues, consider switching to a minimalist RFID blocking wallet. These sleek alternatives not only reduce bulk, but also protect your sensitive information from electronic theft, ensuring your cards and personal data remain secure. Furthermore, it's essential to take extra precautions to secure your wallet while traveling. Use a travel pouch or a money belt that can be worn under your clothing, making it less accessible to potential thieves. By adopting these strategies, you can enhance your travel experience, keeping your belongings safe and your mind at ease as you explore new destinations. When traveling, safety should always be a top priority, and old power banks can pose significant risks. Many older models are known for their combustibility, which raises serious concerns about their safety during flights. Due to these risks, airlines often impose restrictions on carrying older power banks in luggage, making it essential to consider safer alternatives. Newer power bank models come equipped with advanced heat monitoring features that help prevent overheating and potential fires, providing a much safer option for travelers. When selecting a power bank, it's crucial to choose reputable brands known for their quality and safety standards. Investing in a reliable product not only ensures that your devices stay charged, but also gives you peace of mind while on the go. By opting for modern power banks with enhanced safety features, you can enjoy your travels without the worry of potential hazards, allowing you to focus on creating memorable experiences instead. Duffel bags, while popular for their spaciousness, are often not the ideal choice for travel, particularly when navigating long airport terminals. Carrying a duffel bag can lead to discomfort, as the lack of structured support can strain your shoulders and arms, especially during extended walks. Instead, consider using rolling duffel bags or backpacks, which offer greater ease of transport. Rolling duffel bags allow you to glide through the terminal effortlessly, while backpacks distribute weight evenly across your body, reducing fatigue. Additionally, having a carry-on suitcase can significantly enhance your travel experience. Carry-on suitcases provide organized compartments for easy access to essentials, eliminating the hassle of rummaging through a duffel bag. They also fit neatly in overhead compartments, ensuring you have your belongings close at hand during the flight. By opting for these alternatives, you can travel more comfortably and conveniently, allowing you to focus on enjoying your journey rather than struggling with cumbersome luggage. When it comes to choosing luggage, four-wheeled suitcases offer several advantages over their two-wheeled counterparts, particularly in terms of maneuverability. One of the key benefits of four-wheeled luggage is its ease of navigation in tight spaces, such as crowded airport terminals or narrow aisles. The ability to spin 360 degrees allows you to glide effortlessly in any direction, making it much simpler to navigate through bustling environments. Additionally, spinner suitcases are incredibly convenient for airport travel, as they can be pushed alongside you or pulled behind, reducing strain on your arms and shoulders. This versatility is especially beneficial when you're juggling multiple bags or rushing to catch a flight. When selecting luggage, it's essential to consider the design and functionality to ensure a stress-free travel experience. By opting for four-wheeled luggage, you can enhance your journey, making it more enjoyable and efficient as you move through various travel scenarios with ease and comfort. Bulky makeup cases can be a significant drawback when traveling, as they take up valuable suitcase space that could be better utilized for clothing or other essentials. The added weight and size of these cases can lead to overpacking, making it difficult to stay within airline weight limits. Instead of relying on cumbersome makeup cases, consider using practical toiletry kits or pouches that are designed for organization and efficiency. These compact alternatives allow you to neatly store your makeup and skincare items without sacrificing space. Additionally, it's wise to minimize the number of products you bring along on your travels. Focus on versatile items that can serve multiple purposes, such as a tinted moisturizer with SPF or a multi-use lip and cheek tint. By streamlining your makeup and skincare routine, you can travel lighter and more efficiently, ensuring that you have everything you need without the hassle of bulky cases. This approach not only simplifies packing, but also enhances your overall travel experience. Packing appropriate footwear is crucial for a comfortable and enjoyable travel experience. One effective strategy is to wear your bulkiest shoes during the flight, as this not only saves space in your luggage, but also ensures you have comfortable footwear readily available upon arrival. This approach can make a significant difference, especially on long flights where comfort is key. Additionally, it's wise to pack waterproof shoes for excursions, particularly if you're traveling to destinations with unpredictable weather. Having shoes that can withstand rain or wet conditions will keep your feet dry and comfortable, allowing you to fully enjoy your adventures. Furthermore, consider investing in arch support insoles for added comfort, especially if you plan on doing a lot of walking. These insoles can provide the necessary support to prevent fatigue and discomfort, making your travels much more pleasant. By prioritizing appropriate footwear, you can enhance your overall travel experience, ensuring that you're prepared for any situation that comes your way. Wearing ponchos on flights can often be impractical, as they tend to get tangled and can create discomfort during your journey. The loose fabric can easily catch on seatbelts or other objects, making it cumbersome to navigate through the cabin. Additionally, the lack of structure in a poncho can lead to awkward movements, especially when trying to reach for your belongings or adjust your seating position. Instead, consider opting for fitted sweaters, which provide warmth without sacrificing ease of movement. A well-fitted sweater allows for better mobility and can be easily layered over other clothing, making it a versatile choice for varying cabin temperatures. When selecting travel attire, it's essential to prioritize comfort and practicality, as this will enhance your overall travel experience. By choosing clothing that allows for freedom of movement and keeps you cozy, you can focus on enjoying your flight rather than dealing with the inconveniences that come with wearing a poncho. Choosing the right neck pillow can significantly enhance your comfort during long flights, making it an essential travel accessory. Proper neck support is crucial for preventing stiffness and discomfort, especially when you're seated for extended periods. A well-designed neck pillow can help maintain the natural alignment of your spine, allowing you to arrive at your destination feeling refreshed rather than fatigued. There are specific neck pillows on the market that prioritize comfort and support, such as memory foam options that contour to your neck and provide excellent cushioning. These pillows often come with ergonomic designs that help distribute weight evenly, reducing pressure points. On the other hand, it's advisable to steer clear of inflatable pillows as they can lose pressure over time, leading to inadequate support and discomfort. By investing in a quality neck pillow, you can ensure a more pleasant flying experience, allowing you to relax and enjoy your journey without the nagging discomfort that often accompanies air travel. Bulky converters are often unnecessary for travel, especially with the convenience of dual voltage appliances available today. These appliances are designed to operate on both 110V and 220V, making them ideal for international travel without the need for cumbersome converters. By investing in dual voltage curling irons or hair tools, you can simplify your packing and avoid the hassle of carrying extra equipment. These versatile tools allow you to style your hair effortlessly, regardless of your destination. However, it's essential to remember that while dual voltage appliances can handle varying voltages, you will still need appropriate adapters to fit the electrical outlets in different countries. Each country has its own plug configurations, so having a universal adapter on hand will ensure you can use your devices without any issues. By choosing dual voltage appliances and the right adapters, you can travel light and enjoy the convenience of styling your hair anywhere in the world, making your travel experience more enjoyable and stress-free. Using AirPods over regular headphones offers significant practicality, particularly for travelers seeking convenience and efficiency. One of the primary benefits of wireless earbuds is their space-saving design. They take up minimal room in your bag, allowing you to pack more efficiently. This is especially advantageous during flights, where every inch of luggage space counts. While AirPods provide a sleek, tangle-free experience, it's still wise to carry a tangle-free cord for situations where you might prefer wired headphones or need to charge your devices. This ensures you have options without the hassle of dealing with tangled wires. Additionally, when selecting tech accessories, it's essential to prioritize comfort and portability. AirPods are designed to fit snugly in your ears, making them comfortable for extended wear, whether you're listening to music or watching movies during your flight. By choosing AirPods, you can enjoy a more streamlined travel experience, allowing you to focus on your journey rather than managing cumbersome headphones. While hidden money belts may seem like a secure option for storing valuables while traveling, they come with significant risks. One of the primary dangers is the act of retrieving items from these concealed belts in public spaces, which can draw unwanted attention and make you a target for theft. Fumbling to access your money or passport can create a vulnerable situation, especially in crowded areas. Instead, consider using a lanyard passport holder, which allows for easy access while keeping your important documents visible yet secure. This way, you can quickly show your passport when needed without the hassle of digging through hidden compartments. Additionally, enhancing your security with wallet trackers can provide peace of mind. These small devices can help you locate your wallet if it goes missing, ensuring that your valuables are protected. By opting for more accessible and secure options, you can travel with confidence, minimizing risks and focusing on enjoying your adventures. In this video, we highlighted the importance of packing wisely to ensure a stress-free travel experience. We discussed various travel items to avoid, such as bulky makeup cases and traditional wallets, and emphasized the benefits of choosing more practical alternatives like minimalist toiletry kits and four-wheeled luggage. Additionally, we explored the advantages of using dual voltage appliances and the practicality of wireless earbuds over regular headphones. By making informed choices about your travel gear, you can enhance your comfort and efficiency while on the go. If you found these tips helpful, we encourage you to subscribe, like, and share this video with fellow travelers who could benefit from this advice. Don't forget to explore related content on our channel for even more travel tips and insights that can help you navigate your journeys with ease. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you make your next adventure even more enjoyable.